Oh, what's this? So this is my beauty product from Amazon. Hey guys, it's me Joy, and today I'm going to unbox this beauty product that came from Amazon. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing this box. So let's get started. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh. Okay, first we have Yes to coconut. Do you guys hear about this product? I've been using this for a while now, and it's really good. It smells good. This is scrub your skin and everything like that, you know. I really like this one. And this is ultra hydrating. So this one is 2-in-1 scrub and cleansing stick. I like the smell. I like the way it feels on my face. Yes. And I think this is around $4. Yes. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is, this is the same brand. So this is Yes to the Coconut. Yes to Coconut. Same Yes to Coconut. So this one is Coconut Oil Cleansing Balm. So I never used this before, so I was thinking to I'll give a try. Let's see what's gonna happen to my brown skin. Yeah, so this one, it came with a sponge, so it will shrink when it get wet. So let's smell what it smells like inside. I'm sure definitely it's gonna smell coconut, right? Yeah, I'm just being nosy, so let's smell this. It's definitely smell coconut. So I'm excited to try it. Okay, let's move on to the third product. Okay, so this one is facial cleansing brush. So my face need this. Yes, and I think this is around $6. So, and it looks like soft. Let me just feel it. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so it's open. Ooh. This one is no battery needed. So you just the one gonna So it feels so soft. See that? You feel that brush. It's very soft. Yeah, and then it have another silicone in the back. And it's very soft as well. And it's really cute. It's just like so small. Diba? I can imagine myself using this. Yeah. Okay. The fourth one I have here is, what is this? Okay. So this one is silicone mask brush for your, you know, mask, for your clay mask or something like that. So let's feel this, what it feels like. So I like this color. It came with 2 silicone mask brush. So here you go. So here you go. They're very cute, and I think, yeah, look, it's really soft. And when you use it, you use like this. So I can't wait to use this too. Oh my god. So let's move on to the last one. This one is eyeshadow pad. So this one is, I'm going to use it when I practicing my wings, so I can fly. Wow. So I can master how to put all the wings and everything like that, you know, wings, eyeshadow, because I don't know how to put it. That's why I need this. This one will help the achievement. Wow. What did I just say? So this is the one. This one is around $6. They are 100 pieces in this bag. That's what they said. So I don't need to count it, you know, around $6. So okay, so that's the last item from the small box. So I still have this one, this big box in here. So let's see what is this. Woo, it's kind of heavy. Alright, let me just open this and show you guys what is inside the box. Okay. Alright, I'm having trouble opening this box. I guess not. Oh my god, it's empty! Nothing in here! It's just heavy. Only this one is inside the box. Ah! I'm just kidding. So this one is... Ooh. Look at this one. Okay, so this one is Indian Healing Clay. I used this before and I'm going back to this. So that's why I buy this. I buy this because I am definitely gonna use it with my mask. So here you go, guys. This thing is really good and I'm going to make a video how I apply this to my face. So guys, stay tuned for this video. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay guys, so that's it inside the box that I received from Amazon. So I can't wait to use all of it. And I think this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching me. I also have an Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, I'm Forever Joy Joy. Link on that is gonna be down the description. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. Okay, so see you to the next video. Bye! Love you guys. And that's it!